See your hula hoop. Put it out in the middle. Let's do it. Do it right. Put it on the ground. Put it on the ground. All right. Step inside. Step inside. Pick it up. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Good job. Woo! That's good. Where's your other hula hoop? Get the other one. Try it. Put it in the middle. Put it in the middle on the ground. Pick it up. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Okay, well, let's try again. Try again. 1. All right, step inside. Pick it up. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo!
Good job. Woo, that was a good one. Whoa.
Whoa.
That's not a cute one. But that's not a cute one.
That was pretty
You're
cute.
doing pretty good.
Whoa.
Whoa,
That's
that's
not a
chair.
cute one.
You need to get back out in the middle.
Get out in the middle. 1, 2, 3, go!